Hey, how's it going guys? Phil here, and this is a review for the XYUN mesh laundry bags. You will receive 4 mesh polyester laundry bags and 2 lingerie bags. Of the 4 laundry bags, the smallest is 11 by 16 inches and color-coded yellow. Then you have 2 medium size at 15 by 20 color-coded green. And there's a large bag at 19 by 24 inches color-coded blue. The lingerie bags are color-coded pink and they're cylinders. This one measures 12 inches with an 8-inch diameter, and the smaller one is 6 inches with a 6.5-inch diameter. This one actually has a plastic top and bottom support to help it keep its shape. The materials used for the mesh are sturdy and durable, but because they're made of mesh, you still need to be careful using Velcro around them, as the hooks can grab and create pulls in the material. All the seams are stitched on the interior, and they're clean without any loose threads. The zipper pulls are plastic, but are smooth sliding and can even be hidden under the elastic tabs at the end, so then they won't get caught or damaged in the wash. These laundry bags are great for separating your clothing in the wash, for things that get easily tangled, lost, or stretched, like stockings, underwear, socks, and lingerie. The bag with the plastic supports is good for brassieres, as it helps them keep their shape and the straps from getting tangled in other articles. You can even use these bags for storage or packing. Overall, these laundry bags are pretty heavy duty, and they stood up to the rigors of the top load washer and high heat of the dryer. I hope you enjoyed this review. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put a link to the product in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and join me next time.